my savages. Welcome back to another episode of that Moneymane you already know. I need y'all to hit that like button, subscribe, and share, and tell your friends about that Moneymane you already know, because we back in this thing. And no, I'm not a financial advisor. You're telling y'all what plays I'm on. I'm not telling you to buy, sell, trade, or swap. This is for entertainment purposes only. Now, y'all see the title. Y'all see the thumbnail. Now, let's go ahead and get into it. I ain't going to be long. You know what I'm saying? But, hey, yesterday, it depends on you watching the video, we looked at the Bitcoin chart, and I told y'all, hey, we were going to see what happened today and tomorrow. So we going to do another video tomorrow, do this video today. So I need y'all to hit that like, subscribe, and share. And then go watch the video from yesterday. Then you can see the levels on the chart that we about to go over. Because I'm telling y'all, man, I've been gone, but I've been learning. Now I'm back, and we better than ever, man. So let's go ahead and get into it. Bitcoin, right now, depends on you watching the video, $42,178.97. Now, I had told y'all about on the last video, go watch that video, like, subscribe, and share, tell your friend about that Moneymane you already know. I had told y'all on the last video that we needed to wait at least 2 days to see what direction we was going to completely go if we had confirmation on either side. If we were going to keep going down on a bad trend as what we was, or we were going to start being on a bull trend that it looks like, not saying it will, but it looks like that we're doing. Because like I said, ain't nothing confirmed yet, but the 5 EMA right here, my green line, and then my yellow line, the 13 EMA, and then my red line and my 50 EMA, and then I got my 200 down here on the pink down there. So like I was saying, we ended up going real green on this candle right here, because this the candle we had looked at on the last video. And today, this was yesterday's candle right here, but we was still down here at the bottom, and it was a little red. But now we on today, and this a big red candle. But you could say, Moneymane, the price was going up, but nah, the candle is red, a red hammer right here. You know what I'm saying? So look, this is what we could possibly do. That's why I'm just telling y'all. This is my opinion, not my financial advice. But right now that we see all three of them, the 5, 13, and the 50, basically on the same line. They basically on the same line, because it just came down. The 5 EMA and the 13 probably was right on the 50 line, but it came down because the candle is red. Now, tomorrow, depends on you watching this video, if Bitcoin pushes up, we could go back to and test 44,000. See this line right here? 44,000. This next line. That's why I got it right there. This next horizontal line. Because if you can see back here, let me zoom back out. See right here, we touched it right here. We touched it right here. Then we can touch it again right here. You see what I'm saying? Because this was leading up to the spot Bitcoin ETF news right here, where it pushed up past it, and then we ran to 49,000. But right now we ain't got that news going on, so we could just have some of the new catalysts that we're gonna go over, that Bitcoin pushes back up to 44,000. So it could trade in this channel right here from 44,000 all the way down to the bottom right here, 40,000. So we could trade trade in between 40,000 and 44,000 for consolidating for I don't know how long. Might be a couple of days, might be a month, who knows, you know what I'm saying, until the halving event. But like I said, the halving event is coming in April. Go watch that video on Brown Time Option, link down in the description. You want to join the Discord too, and go subscribe to my Brown Time Option and all my other social medias and all them channels too, man. Shout out to the real true savages. Thank y'all, you know what I'm saying. But right now, hey, like I said, 5 EMA, 13 EMA, and the 50 all look like on the same line to me. So we really got to pay attention tomorrow if we can break past the 42 and run up, and it's going to keep running to 44,000. Just my opinion, you know what I'm saying? But if we don't, and we just start consolidating, like I said, between 40,000, then it would be 40,000, 42,000 right at the 50 EMA. What I said, well, it could be resistance, but this counter pushed past it. But like I said, it's still ain't confirmed because it's still touching. Now, if we get the next candle, if it's above here, above the 5 EMA, the 13 or the 50, and it's not touching the line, then we confirm, and then we should be on the way back up. But who knows? Nobody really knows, because the RSI down here, the RSI is saying 50, but the trend is pointing, it looks like it's coming back down, the trend. on the RSI. Who knows? Really don't know, man. Hey, Bitcoin volatile. Anything can happen. But just let y'all know, that's how you going to know when to get in and when to get out and when to jump in if you want to catch a little run up, you know, if you trading or selling like that. That's about it, man, on the chart. But we're going to get into some news and that could determine if Bitcoin keep running up or it goes down. Stay tuned. A couple news catalysts is going on. BlackRock Bitcoin ETF first to reach 2 billion. So a lot of people, when the spot ETF came out, looked like a lot of people were loading up on the BlackRock Bitcoin ETF because you know what BlackRock is. If y'all don't know who BlackRock is like the largest hedge fund in the United States. They manage over $10 trillion worth of assets in the U.S. and around the world probably. But the BlackRock iShares Bitcoin on Friday became the first of the recently launched spot Bitcoin products to reach 2 billion in assets under management. This doesn't include Grayscale's GBTC, which had nearly 30 billion in AUM at the time of this conversation, from a closed-end fund to a spot ETF. Investors had added that about 170 million to IBIT on Thursday, with the fund purchasing nearly another 4,300 Bitcoin BTC, pushing total tokens held to 49,952, which, with the price of Bitcoin rising well above 40,000 level early Friday, that brought AUM to above 2 billion. That's crazy, man. Like, people dumping their money. So basically what they saying is, when we had that drop in Bitcoin, people were pulling out, they selling their Bitcoin or taking profits and then moving some of that money into the spot ETFs. Made sense. So you wanted to take some of that profit, lock in some of that profit, then move it to the stock market and buy the spot Bitcoin ETF. I got one. I ended up buying the ARK share, but I'm still gonna invest in these, and hopefully by the time the halving event comes around, they have the option plays, and best believe I'm gonna be hopping on some of those too. Like I told y'all, man, if y'all didn't watch my last video, go watch that last video about this stock miners that I'm gonna be buying options on if I can get in at the right price at the right time, you know what I'm saying? And then expiration date, strike price, I don't know yet, but I'll let y'all know when I do it. Like I said, not financial advice, but yeah, I'm telling y'all, bro. And then another catalyst right here, Bitcoin price surge to 42,000. Analyst John Bollinger predicts end of sell the news. So like I just said, basically Bitcoin had failed because everybody was taking their money out on taking in profits and taking their money out to buy the spot Bitcoin's ETF, and then they end up putting it back or adding back to Bitcoin after they did that. You know what I'm saying? If they bought all they wanted to buy and then just added more, because you know the spot Bitcoin ETFs, they had failed, so people would mine. Like, you buy on the red days, sell on the green days. Buy the rumor, sell the news. You know what I'm saying? So that's why they were saying the sell the news event could be over. So that's what's going on with Bitcoin, man. If you like the video, man, like, subscribe, and share, and tell your friends about that Moneymane. You already know. And we back on this thing, man. It been a while. It been a minute. Hey, the grind don't never stop. The grind don't never stop. YouTube try to get me, but they ain't got me, dog. I ain't down, dog. I just multiply, and diversify. That's all I did. And y'all already know what time it is. Stop playing with me. And playing no games, should already know my name when I speak then CC Flame. Got my YouTube poppin', man. Like, subscribing, everything in between, you already know. Moneymane.